Yeah. Are you driving? You driving that bottle?
You want to back up? Here we go. And tilt. A little more tilt.
You gotta lift that up.
Go. There you go. You hold on to it, though. You hold on to it.
I think he's falling asleep.
There we go. Good job, James. You're a big, drooly kid now.
He's falling asleep to the left.
It's coming back. It's right here. Look. Look. Oh, yeah. Hands up. Hands up. We get to hold it. Nope. Mom gets to hold it.
This is edge of your seat video.
Action, home action thriller. Still recording. This isn't really that exciting.
I can cut it up. No, actually I can't.